Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your internet faster in Windows 10. Let's get started. And before we jump into the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you find it helpful. Alright, so first we're going to want to go to the type here to search, and we're going to type in Device Manager. Left click on the very first one that is in the best match section. Make this a little bit bigger. And then here you're going to get a menu of all the different devices that are hooked up to your computer. And from here we're going to go to the network adapters. They're all out. It's in alphabetical order, so just click the little drop down menu there, the little arrow. And then you'll get a menu like this. My internet connection is this one, which is the Intel Ethernet connection. Yours might say something a little bit different, but I'm pretty positive it's going to say Intel Ethernet connection and then whatever at the end. So when you find it, you can right click and then hit Properties. And then from here, we're going to go to Advanced, and then we're going to scroll down until we find Speed and Duplex. We're going to want to left click on that once, and then where it says Value, it says Auto Negotiation. We're going to click on the little drop down menu again, and then we're going to set it to the highest one we possibly can, which is 1 gigabyte per second, full duplex. And then you're going to hit OK. And then it's going to reset. It's going to find it. And also, here's another tip, is if you go into the wrong one, so let's say I go into this one instead, and I hit Properties and then Advanced, you will not see speed or duplex here, so you know you're in the wrong network adapter. Same with this one. You will not see speed and duplex. So basically just keep going. You can even start from the very top, and then you can make your way through, try to find speed and duplex. Okay, you can already see that Advanced isn't here, so you know that's not the right one. Go to Properties and then Advanced, Speed and Duplex, and set to the highest one. That's basically it. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'm How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.